Do you know the difference between the tuning of a guitar versus a baritone ukulele? If you do, let me know in the comments. But if not, stick around. We'll go over each one and also throw out a couple bonus ideas for you as well. So the baritone ukulele, the biggest of the ukuleles, but has 4 strings. The tuning here is D, G, B, and E. Now this is an acoustic steel string guitar. It has 6 strings on it. The tuning here is E, A, now wait for it, D, G, B, and E. Now why did I say wait for it is because these strings, 1, 2, 3, and 4, are the exact same strings that you see on your baritone. D, G, B, and E. And again on your baritone, D, G, B, and E. So what that means is that if you're a guitar player, you can very easily go to the baritone ukulele. You just got to adapt to not having the 2 extra strings. But anything that I play here on the guitar, I can also play on the baritone. So whether it's chords or strumming, it doesn't really matter, but it's exactly the same here on both instruments. So if I do like that on the guitar, I can do here on the baritone. Now you're missing a couple of the bass notes and some bass strings here. It's not quite as big depth, and also you do notice we do have the nylon strings here, more of the nylon fluorocarbon strings versus the steel string that we did on our acoustic guitar. There you have it, the tuning differences between the guitar and the baritone ukulele. And as I mentioned, if you're a guitar player and you want to go to a baritone, which is very common for various reasons, it's a very easy transition. And then vice versa, if you've only played the baritone and are thinking about guitar, yeah, you got to adapt to the extra strings, the bigger body, some new chord shapes and stuff like that. But other than that, you can actually make the transition from the baritone to the guitar just as well. All right, so if you like both these instruments, all our ukulele content, including baritone, is over on our educational site, which is ukelikethepros.com. All our guitar content is over on our guitar educational site, which is rocklikeThePros.com. And then if you're interested in these instruments or any guitars, any ukuleles, or anything else that you need for your musical needs, that's at our store, which is terrycartermusicstore.com.